Oh, there we go. First one on the A-ring. Yeah. All right, good morning. Chris Brandt, the Beefshaman on Hodges, and making it happen today. Let's have fun. Thanks for watching. See the shad busting on the shoreline right there. Ryan's whooping me today.
There it is.
All right, good job.
It was on the chatterbait.
Oh, chatterbait, nice.
Yep. Some ditch in the face of that.
Hefeweizen. So we're gonna try a beer this morning. Out here with Ryan. Here, oh, just want to make sure you didn't. So from Paperback, you guys know I like Paperback. They did the bunny with the chainsaw out of Glendale. Got the banana stand. And it's a German style. There's always beer in the banana stand. It's a German style Hefeweizen, which means it's an unfiltered wheat beer. Usually has banana and clove smell. And that's exactly what it's got here. You can see the nice head coming up on that. It's only 5.5%, but the wheat and the malt flavors come through really, really well. A little bit of hop bitterness, but I love that aroma of bananas that you get from a good German style Hefeweizen. So check this out. You guys know I'm a sucker for the graphics. I've got a mummy, a guy in a banana suit, a mermaid, a wizard, and a magician on a Segway. What's that? Yeah. This company is awesome. I love it. What's that? Glendale. Yeah, it's got a little bit more bitterness than many of the Hefeweizens I've had. What's that? Oh yeah. Yeah, and this is from the bottle shop in Poway. I'm glad we were able to make it happen.
Sure.
I think we should, when we, oh, hang on. There we go. Quick release, that's okay. Something on here. Yeah. All right, another one. Got one. Another A-rig fish. Ready for the bigger ones though. So if you're wondering, I'm doing my A-rig a little different than a lot of people do. I've got the owner twist lock hooks with a 4-inch swim bait. Only 2 of them are weighted. The other ones don't have any weight. So because I'm fishing so close to shore and so shallow, I didn't want it to head down in and get stuck in the rocks that fast. So that's why I'm doing 2 that are weighted hooks and then 2 or the other ones with non-weighted. And Ryan's got them on chatterbait and also cranks, right? There we go. On the Ned rig. Not a big one, but a fighter. There we go. There we go. Saw my line taking off. Another Ned rig fish. So 2 fish on the Ned rig and just a few casts, so that's a good sign. Is that Nyjah?
I think so.
Nyjah Hazy IPA from Black Plague. I've only had a couple of Black Plague stuff. Black Plague, I guess, is out of Oceanside. Tropical aromas of passion fruit, peach, gooseberry, and nectarines. And it is a 7%, so. Cheers, man. Smells good. Tastes good.
Yeah, I like
That good mouthfeel, nice hazy, you know, that body hazy. Got definitely the fruity aromas. It's at that 7% sweet spot I like too. And it looks like it is a 2022 gold medal winner. San Diego International Beer Competition. Congratulations to them.
I'd like to go there, public people.
Mm-hmm. Appreciate you sharing. Super fun out here. Love it. You still got it there? Was it right up against the shoreline?
I got on the shoreline and it felt the. I thought I was. Oh no, got away.
Oh no.
It just slipped right out. You see that though?
Yeah.
I tried.
Chatterbait on the shoreline.
I tried to show my kids, but I couldn't get it.
Oh.
Sorry, buddy, got away.
Well, I got 5. Ryan's got 5, and he also got a like a 10-pound catfish. Got the catfish on a chatterbait. There we go. Nice fish. Right on the outside of that branch like I figured. Got a little injury on the side, but nice little fish. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice fish. Oh. That was the best fish of the day for me, but it came off. Throw the Ned rigs right up against the shore. Oh, I'm heading back in, but I do have one more beer. I have the Badass Bunny with the chainsaw. Just saying. It's a triple hazy IPA, 9.5% ABV. Again, this one's from Paperback as well. Doesn't have quite as much aroma as I thought it was going to. Bitter, juicy, yummy. A lot more bitter than the Go Blue Bunny with the chainsaw, or even the regular bunny. So more hops, higher ABV. That tastes good. I like it. He's a furball from hell with a thirst for hops. Pick yourself up some at the bottle shop, guys. Oh, there's something. Final. I missed 3 more hits.
All on the bed?
Yeah. Small one, but fish. There we go. There we go. Not bad. Only 9.5, but it's something. Managed another one. Almost done here. Beautiful day out on the water. Thanks for sharing the beer, Ryan. Glad you had fun and caught your first fish here at Hodges. Have a great day, everybody. Cheers. Thanks for watching.